Namaskar. You are watching Daily Prime Info. On 14th March 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Kolkata in West Bengal, where he inaugurated and laid the foundation stones for infrastructure projects worth nearly 18,680 crore rupees aimed at boosting connectivity and economic growth in eastern India. A major focus of the visit was road infrastructure, with highway projects covering over 420 kilometers worth nearly 16,990 crore rupees. These include sections of NH19 and NH114, along with the foundation stone for parts of the 231-kilometer Kharagpur-Mogram Economic Corridor, which is expected to reduce travel distance by around 120 kilometers and cut journey time by 7 to 8 hours. Other projects include the Dubrajpur bypass and new bridges over the Kangshapti and Shalapti rivers to improve regional connectivity. In the railway sector, the Prime Minister flagged off the Purulia Anand Vihar Terminal Express and inaugurated 6 redeveloped stations under the Amrit Bharat Station scheme. Railway upgrades such as a third line between Belda and Dantan and improved signalling systems were also dedicated to the nation. Port development projects were also launched at the Haldia Dock Complex and Khiddarpur docks to strengthen maritime trade in eastern India. During his address, the Prime Minister also spoke about concerns over LPG supply caused by tensions in West Asia and disruptions near the Strait of Hormuz. He assured citizens that the government is taking all necessary steps to maintain stable supplies of LPG, petrol and diesel. He also accused opposition parties, including the Indian National Congress and the India Bloc, of spreading panic over the LPG situation and urged people not to believe rumors. The visit also comes ahead of the West Bengal Assembly elections expected in April-May 2026, where infrastructure development is likely to be a key political issue. And that's the latest update from Kolkata. Stay tuned for more news.